When renovating roofs from the outside, first of all, the vapor control layer must be protected, for example by using thermal insulation of a thickness of 4 cm. Majpell is the ideal vapor control layer for roof renovation from the outside in combination with the well-tried SIGA high-performance adhesives, Twinet, V-Glue and Premier. The double-sided adhesive SIGA Twinet is used to attach the vapor control layer on the rafters easily, quickly and safely. Align and attach Twinet along the lowest area of the rafters. Press Twinet down vigorously. Twinet is hand-tearable. Pull off the backing strip. On account of the installation of the vapor control layer with SIGA Twinet, no additional lateral battens have to be placed on the rafter. Now install the Majpell vapor control layer, with the smooth side and the lettering facing you. SIGA Majpell is very flexible, dimensionally stable and sturdy. Press the sheet down vigorously. Make sure that the sheet is bonded to one side of the rafter first, and then pass it around the rafter without creases. Seal Majpell tightly on the other side of the rafter as well. Overlap the sheets by approximately 10 cm. I can rely 100% on SIGA products. The new SIGA Majpell and the well-thought-out adhesive system for the production of an airtight plane is ideally suited for roof renovation from the outside, because this is important to avoid subsequent building damage and to save heating costs. Together with Twinet and Majpell, the SIGA V-Glue high-performance adhesive ensures a permanently airtight building envelope. Remove V-Glue from the backing strip. Unwind V-Glue with the backing strip facing up. Center V-Glue on the overlap and secure it. The bonding aid printed on Majpell will help you do so. Stick V-Glue without tension and creases and press on well. V-Glue has a high adhesive strength and is very flexible. V-Glue can be attached permanently and securely even in tricky spots, which are very common in roof renovation. Cut V-Glue to length, stick V-Glue halfway to the penetration and then on the sheeting, pressing on tightly. Arrange the following pieces to overlap. The vapor control layer is stuck down using V-Glue so that the roof can function as an emergency roof and can be subjected to rain for a short period during the building phase. Using SIGA Premier, the vapor control layer is connected easily and quickly to plastered masonry and concrete. Place Premier on the clean substrate, align it and press down. Use a cutter to cut Premier and press on. Cut into SIGA Majpell to the left and right side of the rafter. Remove the backing strip. Vigorously press down the sheet, avoiding tension and creases. The insulation is attached after the vapor control layer has been stuck down completely. Lay on the insulating boards and mount the battens. First, use SIGA DocSkin high-performance primer to consolidate the substrate, and then mount the eave sheet. Center V-Glue 100 or V-Glue 150 on the joint and fix the tape. Pull off the backing strip. Stick V-Glue without tension and creases and press on well. This is what it looks like. The vapor control layer has been mounted and sealed airtight for roof renovation from the outside. We built our house in 1986. The roof consists of nailed roof framing and an insulation attached from the inside. However, in the course of the years, it has turned out that the roof is not leak-proof. The roof ridges were torn, and there were some open places somewhere else as well. Therefore, we decided that we would have to do some renovating work. The attic has been converted into a living space for our daughter, and for this reason, it was out of the question really to have the renovation carried out from the inside. With respect to renovation, I may add we have already heard about vapor control layers. We also heard about insulation, that it should not be all that thin. In respect, it was important for us that SIGA company uses good well-known brands instead of no-name products, which quickly disappear from the market because of some sort of fault is found in them. I've already heard about airtightness at the electrical company I work for. We have come across sockets which had to be airtight, and sometimes something had to be reworked if it was not quite satisfactory.